Everyone, today we'll talk about how to turn on show you to people you might know on REDnote. You click on REDnote app. In this page, you will click in this sign here and you will enter. As you see, then we click in this sign of settings. Here you will go to privacy settings. After that, in this page, we click in this window of ways to find you. And then here we click in this sign. If this sign changes to this color, then you can know how to turn on show you to people you might know on REDnote. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for watching.